Good morning guys, in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and let me show you how to fix app crashing. So if you have some issues with particular app, if it's not working properly, let's start with opening the settings, then find and select apps. Here we've got them. Choose the app that is not responding. And here locate. Okay, force stop, but it's not possible here. So in camera we've got it. Mark force stop, tap on OK, and that's it. Then go back to your app and check if it's working properly. If you still have some problems, have some issues with this app after forcing the stop, just open your Play Store. Go to updates and check. Just open manage apps and device and go to updates and check if this app is up to date. So let me do it one more time. So if for example this app is up to date, if it does have the latest version, and if not, just update it, and it also should resolve the problem. If you still experience some troubles, some issues while using this app, just find it. Let me pick, for example, Spotify, tap and hold, and mark uninstall. Tap on OK. So just uninstall this app and then install it one more time. So let's open Play Store, locate Spotify, and mark install. Just wait till it's done, and it should also help you. Finally, if you still experience some problems, just soft reset your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.